I welcome you all. Currently, we are understanding the phrases, and phrases are very important part. We need to understand them. In the last class, we understood about the different type of phrases. We also understood about noun phrase. In today's class, we are going to understand about prepositional phrases. We will also understand about adjective phrases. So let's understand. Firstly, we will understand prepositional phrases. So prepositional phrases. A prepositional phrase, a prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase comprises of a preposition and an object of the preposition. It may be noun or pronoun and some modifiers. A prepositional phrase comprises of a preposition, an object of the preposition, and this is a noun or pronoun. Okay, this object is a noun or pronoun and modifiers. Some words acting as modifiers. So let's understand example. Example. He drives his car in high speed. He drives his car in high speed. So underlying part is a prepositional phrase. He speaks in a loud voice. He speaks in a loud voice. This is another example. The kids were laughing. The kids were laughing at the Joker. So here you can see that there is an object of every preposition. Here this is an object. Here voice is object. Here Joker is object. They are sleeping. They are sleeping on the mat. They are sleeping on the mat. So here you can see that mat is the object. One more example. The teacher was looking at the board. So at the board, here also you can see that there is an object to the preposition. So in each of these examples of prepositional phrases, you can see that there is the ticked words. The ticked words are the object of the preposition. So I hope that you have understood prepositional phrases. Before we proceed further, you just have a relook. Prepositional phrase consists of a preposition, some modifiers, an object to the preposition which may be a noun or a pronoun. Okay. Now we will proceed to understand adjective phrases. So let's understand what are the adjective phrases. You know that adjective phrases, as the name suggests, this phrase works like an adjective. And you know what is the work of an adjective? The work of an adjective is to add something to the meaning of a given noun or pronoun. So the same thing is done by the adjective phrases. So let's understand adjective phrases. Adjective phrases comprises of an adjective, some modifiers and some other words which can modify the noun or the pronoun. So adjective phrases. These phrases comprise of, these are the phrases which do the work of an adjective. These are the phrases which do the work of an adjective, and you know what is the work of an adjective? It adds something to the meaning of some noun or pronoun. So in the adjective phrase, there is an adjective, there is some modifier, and there is obviously some noun or pronoun. Okay? And there may be some other words which can modify the meaning of noun or pronoun. That means which can add some meaning, okay, to the noun or pronoun. An adjective phrase comprises of an adjective, modifiers, noun or pronoun, and some other words which can add the meaning, or which can modify the noun or pronoun, and some other words which can modify the noun or pronoun. Now let's understand what the examples of adjective phrase. Okay. Example 1. The boy from the shop. The boy from the shop is my friend. The girls from my school won the trophy, won the prize, you can say, won the prize, won the first prize. Okay. Another example, the kid on the roof was looking at the sky. The man in red shirt, is your brother, is my friend, is my friend. The lady with long hair came to meet my mother with long hair. See one more example. I purchased some brown leather chairs So brown leather. This is the adjective phrase. So here you can see in these examples that adjective phrase is used. Which boy? The boy from the shop. Which girl? From my school. Which kid? On the roof. Which man? Red shirt, wearing red shirt. Which lady? With long hair. Which chairs? Brown leather. So these are the examples of adjective phrases. I hope you have understood these phrases in a very good way. And as the definition of the adjective phrases says that these must have some adjective, some modifier and noun and pronoun. So here you can easily see that there is a noun and a pronoun, okay, and there is some adjective also. For example, here red shirt. Here you can see an adjective, you can see a noun also. Okay. Here also you can see my. My is working like an adjective and school is noun. And from is a word that is acting like a modifier. Okay. Similarly, from the shop. Here the is actually making it very particular which particular shop we are talking about. So it is like the determiner, okay, acting like the adjective, and shop, this is a noun, and from is a modifier, okay. It's a word that is modifying the meaning of noun, okay. So I hope you have understood. In today's class, you understood about the prepositional phrase and adjective phrase. In the next class, we will understand about some other phrases. So before I end the class, I just remind you that if you are a new student, you recommend the channel, and if you are a regular one, then you just what you do, you just if you are a regular one, then you recommend the channel to your friends, and if you are a new one, then you subscribe the channel, okay. Thank you, keep watching.